Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to overcome stress and burnouts. In today's world, we are into a very fast-paced environment and the industry is changing, the environment is changing, the technology is changing, and we all are under stress. We are overburdened and overworked, right? And this is the reason why we feel burnouts. So today I'm going to talk about 3 things which you need to consider to avoid stress and burnouts. The first one is prioritize your work. Well, I understand because I've been in this industry, so I know everything is on priority. You'll get hundreds of stuffs and everything will be on priority. But of course, we are humans, we are not machines. We can't do all 100 tasks at the same go. So that is why we have to be a little selective in our approach. We should prioritize our work. We should understand from the management or the client what is the priority. Okay, and accordingly we can allot our tasks and we can break it out and accordingly work on it. Okay, so this is the first thing we have to keep in mind. Number 2 is communicate or communication. Now, communication is very important. Whoever your team is, or whoever your manager is, or your client is, whom you are reporting to, you need to make sure that you communicate to them very clearly. Your daily updates or weekly updates, whatever you want to set up a communication channel, just go for it. I'll prefer if you can provide a daily update, that will be better because the client or the manager or the team knows what is going on, and if there is something which is missing or on priority, they'll inform you or they'll ask you about it and you'll get to know about what you need to do next. Okay, so that is why you have to have a very clear communication with your team or your management or your client, what you're working on, what you're doing, so that they don't have a doubt or they know what is going on. Okay, and the other thing is, if you need help or support, go ahead and speak out. Okay, you can always approach your management or your team or your manager for help. Okay, so this is another thing you have to take care of. Number 3, and this one is very important, you have to take care of your mental health. How do we take care of our mental health? Meditation, yoga, a simple physical exercise, going out and taking a walk for 10 minutes, right? Spending time with family or taking a break is very helpful. So to get into the routine of meditation or doing some exercise like yoga or going out for a walk, hitting the gym, whatever time you have, whatever your interest is. You can also go out with your families and you can take a break. Now, while taking a break, you have to keep in mind one thing, that you need to plan it. We all have certain needs allotted, right? So we need to use it. That is for us. That is a benefit which the company is providing us. So what we can do is we can prioritize or plan our leaves, right? And we can take a break, go out with family or friends, chill out, and then come back refreshed. So these are the 3 things which you need to keep in mind to avoid your stress and burnout. See you next time. Take care.